Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Buffer beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Buffer website at buffer.com. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to provide an email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, Buffer may ask you to select a plan. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on Continue. You may now be required to connect your social media accounts. Select the platforms you wish to connect. Follow the prompts to log into each social media account. Grant Buffer the necessary permissions for access. Once your accounts are connected, you will be taken to the Buffer dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You will see options for scheduling posts, analyzing performance, and managing your content. Complete your profile setup by filling out any additional information required. After completing the setup, you can start using Buffer to manage your social media. Consider exploring the tutorial resources offered by Buffer for additional guidance. You are now ready to use Buffer to streamline your social media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.